What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be giving you a comprehensive tutorial of the LYNK mobile app. You can use the LYNK mobile app to pay your bills, buy credit, receive remittance from MoneyGram, withdraw money to your bank account, right? Or even pay merchants. So LYNK is Jamaica's first digital wallet mobile app, right? So with that said, let's head over to the mobile app and get right into it. And guys, one of the cool thing about the Wise app is that you can use it to earn some extra cash. So stay tuned to learn how. So the first thing we're going to do is launch the LYNK mobile app. Then we are going to sign in. And this is the main screen once you log in. So from the main screen you can see your balance, your notification, and the option to cash in. However, this option only works when you do link a payment method like a Visa or MasterCard or a bank account, right? Now at the bottom of the screen, you have the option to send and ask for money, the option to scan a QR code to make payment, and the more option, which is one of the main options, which contains most of the features within the mobile app. And then you have the profile option. Now we're going to be starting out with the more option, right? So let's select more. From the cash in option is where you can add money to your account, right? So you have two options here, right? Add money using your accounts or IABM, which is free and instant. So I'm going to go with bank. Here you need to specify your PIN again. Once you specify your PIN, select continue. Now here I have an account link already. So in your case, you're just going to select add method if you don't have an account linked. And then you will select your bank. However, for these banks, you can only link a Visa or MasterCard. So from the drop down, you can add a debit or credit card. So if we select debit card and then select continue, choose your currency which your card is in. Let's say Jamaican dollars. And then select continue. Now here it will ask you for the card information, and then it will proceed to ask you for the expiry date and the security code. So I'm going to cancel this because I'm not going to add a card at this point in time. So I'm going to cancel. Now if you are an NCB customer, you can link your bank account directly by selecting NCB Commercial Bank. So as you can see, you have the option to connect bank account and link a card. So if we select connect bank account and then select add your bank, it will take you to the NCB website for you to log in. However, I'm not going to log in because my account is already linked. Now, when you sign into your account, it will ask you which one of your account you want to link. That is if you have multiple accounts, right? So I'm just going to step back here, step back again to exit the screen. Let's go back one more time. You can also accept remittance with the LYNK mobile app. So let's select remittance. This is only for MoneyGram only. So you'd specify your address that the recipient specified when they're sending the money to you. Let's put in a random address. Select your parish. I'm just gonna say Anova, Jamaica, and then continue. Now this is the important part. This is where you're going to specify the reference number that the recipient got on the receipt for the transaction. Then once you specify that number, then you will select continue, right? And then you complete the rest of the process. Now once you receive that money, you can cash out at the NCB ATM or withdraw it directly to your bank account. So I'm going to step back because I don't have any money to receive right now. You also have the option to make bill payments, right? So if we select bill payments, you're going to be required to enter your PIN again. And this may feel annoying, but it's for security purposes, right? So enter your PIN and then select continue. So what you need to do when you're paying a bill is add a new bill payee, right? So select pay new bill and then select which one of the bills you want to pay. Now one of the most common bill is the electricity bill. So let's select electricity. So currently we only have one provider, which is JPS. So here you're going to specify your account number. Now, your account number is typically on your bill as a dash in it, right? So that's how you identify your account number. So once you specify the account number and verified it, you can specify a nickname for the account, right? So I'm going to say JPS. Ensure that it has this hyphen between it. And then you specify a nickname for the account number, right? So here we're going to select continue. Once your account is successfully added, specify the amount that you want to pay and then slide up to pay. Paying 10 JMD. Done. You have the option to share the receipt or download it. So let's go back to pay another bill. Now if you have made a mistake with your account number or you want to change the payee name, select this little icon here that look like users and then you edit. You can change the account number but you can change the account name, right? and you also have the option to delete pay. So I'm going to select delete pay here and select yes to remove. So if you have made a mistake, you literally have to just remove the pay and then add a new one. So let's go back. Now you also have the option to top up users using your mobile app. So I'm going to select top up. Here you need to specify your PIN again, select continue, and then search for the contact that you want to top up. So I'm going to select my phone, specify the amount that you want to top up with, submit for review, review the transaction, and then slide up to complete the top up. If you don't slide up, the transaction will not go through. So that's how you do a mobile top up with LYNK. So let's go back to home. Let's go back to more again. You also have the option to exchange currency within the mobile app by selecting the exchange option, right? So if you had some Jamdex in your wallet or you had some cash and you want to convert it to Jamdex, then this is where you'll do it. So here it's showing from Jamdex to LYNK. However, we want to go from LYNK to Jamdex, right? So I'm just gonna say $1, select done, and then convert, slide up to convert, right? And then that's it. I've converted $1 Jamaican to a Jamdex. So when you select your wallet, you will see the amount in your account versus the amount in Jamdex, right? Now let's go back to more. There are several merchants that accept LYNK payments, and to search for these merchants, you just select the merchants tab. And when you scroll down, you'll start to see a list of businesses that accept LYNK as payment. You can also use the filter option and search for a merchant. As you can see, there are over 3,916 merchants on LYNK. So let's just search. Let's search for True. See what comes up for True. So it is an online store or physical store. Let's say physical and online. Scroll down. So these are a list of companies that has True in their name that are using LYNK, right? So let's go back. Now let's select more. So if you have some money in your wallet and you want to get it out, then select cash out. You have the option to cash out directly to your NCB account, other bank, or IBM. So this allows you to withdraw money from an IBM or ABM instantly, right? So I'm going to select my NCB account, select the account, specify the amount that you want to cash out. I have about $300, so I'm going to say 300 and then swipe up to cash out. Now this is typically instant. So if I log in my NCB mobile app now, this $300 will be reflected. But if you have noticed earlier on the previous screen, if you have set for other banks, it may take 2 to 3 business days. So let's go back to the home. On the profile, you have a bunch of different options. You have notifications, banks and cards, rewards. So the rewards section is where you'll claim your bonus using like the referral code. Mine is in the description of this video. Once you specify the referral code, you will get $250. And if you invite other individuals to the app, you'll also receive $250. So if you want to change your PIN, you do that from the security option and then select change PIN. If you want to unlock with a face scan, then you enable this option. You also have the option to see which other devices is logged into your LYNK account. So if you selected connected accounts, you'll see the accounts that their account is linked to. So let's go back. So guys, one of the first things that you want to do when you download the mobile app is redeem your rewards. So you'd select my profile, rewards, claim bonus, and enter your invite code. If you don't have a reward code, you can use mine in the description of this video, right? You can also invite friends and earn. So when I go back, when you select invite friends, you'll get this code that you can share with your friends and select invite friends. Here you can see that you have the option to invite them through WhatsApp, email, SMS, whatever option you choose.